Host, ever pondered the process of bringing your own AI tool to life? It's a fascinating journey, and today we're embarking on that adventure together. Welcome to your go-to hub for all things tech. The first step on this journey is to define your project goals. It's crucial to know what you want your AI tool to accomplish. Outline your objectives and desired functionalities clearly. This provides direction for your development process. Next, you'll need to choose your development framework or platform. There are many options available, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, and scikit-learn. Choose the one that aligns best with your project requirements and your comfort level with the tools. Data is the lifeblood of any AI tool. The third step involves collecting and preparing a dataset that aligns with your project goals. Ensure the data is diverse and well labeled, as this will aid your model's learning process. Once you have your data, it's time to choose your AI model. This could be a machine learning model like a neural network or a rule-based system. Your choice will hinge on the complexity of your problem and the nature of your data. Now comes the exciting part. Training your model. Feed your model the prepared data and let it learn. Be patient, as this may take some time. Monitor the process and adjust parameters as necessary to optimize your model's performance. Once your model is trained, it's time to evaluate. Test your model with a separate set of data to ensure it can generalize to new unseen data. This step will help you identify any issues and fine-tune your model. After evaluation, consider optimizing your model. This could involve adjusting hyperparameters, collecting more data, or tweaking your model's architecture. Now that you have a trained and optimized model, it's time to integrate it into your AI tool. This could involve creating a user interface, developing APIs, or incorporating it into an existing system. And finally, you're ready to deploy your AI tool. Make it accessible to users by hosting it online, embedding it in software, or distributing it as a standalone application. But remember, this journey doesn't end with deployment. Regularly monitor your AI tool's performance and update it as necessary. This could involve retraining the model with new data to keep it relevant and accurate. And there you have it, a roadmap to developing your own AI tool. From defining goals to deployment and maintenance, it's a rewarding journey filled with opportunities for learning and growth. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more tech adventures on. Until next time, happy coding!